It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, one-touch window functionality, a power seat, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, and seat memory. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.